Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. Are very special, and guys, it's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So, in case you're new, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support. Hello, baby here. So, guys, right now, I'm just wake up from my house, and actually, I was making some cleaners, guys. You can see from the tiles here, and I love the white tiles. I don't know whether my mama dream house I'm going to fix white tiles, and I was making cleaners here and there, guys. So you see, that's how my house looks like, and I'm heading outside. So wow, man, look this elephants. Maybe in future I'll have those images of the animals fixing on the wall. Wow. So yeah, when I left my house, I make sure that it's purely clean as you go outside. So on today's videos, guys, I'm going to surprise my mama with construction material. Me, I just believe in God. When God say yes, nobody can say no. And for my Jamaican family, thank you so much for being supporting me since day one up to today. And also, thank you so much from the people from UK, France, US, Texas, Caribbean, Bahamas, all over the world. And also, thank you so much for my fellow Kenyan by supporting upcoming Kenyan YouTuber. Hello, baby here. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. And I want to say, may God give you longer life by keep supporting Hello Baby Official. Not only me, guys, support the rest. And maybe one day I'll hit 100k subscriber. It's step by step. Things take its time. So right now, guys, I'm just taking you outside, and the only thing that keep like taking me behind is my borehole. But I was working on that. I don't want to saying several times. Right now my family is enjoying water. I'm telling you, we're heading. I think today's date 1st of July, and then it's cold, at night, and then daytime it's dry season. Imagine, guys, two things affecting climate condition. So probably in the tank that you see right there, no water. See how God work in good way. So my family are so blessed. Imagine we miss water on the tank, but at the borehole, man, it's God who knows. For those people who watch at a distance, just believe it. Things that I'm shooting on the videos is the same thing that you see maybe on TV, and my video, it's raw and uncut, nothing to be hide. So guys, I think you're ready for these videos. So in case you meet my videos, subscribe, share, like, and also, guys, leave sweet comment on the comment section. Guys, I hope you're ready for this. And when I'm going outside, I need to wear my jackets. Probably my jacket is just over here. I don't know why I love the blue stuff, this one here. When I go outside, especially when I'm riding, so my bike, I'll wear this jacket. I'll go up to Nebuhanse, and then I'll go first up to my friend's land to check how everything is there. And as I wait the guy to bring the sand, because I was calling him after a few minutes back. So he said he gonna go and drop the sand at the river's place. Everybody right now in our village, they try to build. Let's build Africa bricks by bricks, step by step, no competition, guys. And yeah, me, I just happy, guys. I'm so happy when I see our village grow. in good way in terms of development and structure. I feel so happy, guys. And I said, guys, amongst of them, for those people who are building, amongst of them, I have already bring some materials here and there, So today also I'm going to add one tipper for the sand, And actually it's a big surprise from Jamaica. Thank you so much for Jamaican family and who made it possible. My God bless you. So guys, on this channel, I didn't force people. If you wish, you want to support me with one bag of cement, maybe a wheelbarrow, spade, anything, guys. You just feel free. You can reach me out and then you say, hello, baby, have one wheelbarrow, have one bag of cement. Like that, as you keep growing, as you keep building Africa, guys, the land of food and water. So you'll see me, guys, maybe at the river. And the good thing about me, I shoot the videos from here, going looking for those truck, going to the river. I don't want maybe people to fooling me like this is a good son. No. I go, I see with my eyes like this. Oh, I said this is good. And when I ask the mason, they say this is good, But there is a mistake I made when I was going to Mombasa last month. I was harassing here and there. Even I didn't check the sand. I pay the money. I give my mama money, and then I told those guys, you just bring 2 tippers. Me, anytime I wanna leave the village. Man, when I came back home, I'm totally disappointed. But Mason say, okay, my Mason said you can maybe scoop here two wheelbarrow, bad sand and good sand you mix, and then so guys, let me take you outside. I have already taken my baby, and then to see how things go. Today I'm wearing my this open, guys. When I came from Mombasa, I bought this in Narok County. It reminds me, guys. Yeah. So I'm outside, guys. You see the sun is here. Try to imagine where I'm pointing. You see the rays of the sun right here. That one there. That's the sand. Not sand. Sun, guys. Sometimes I'm totally confused. Hey, Mr. YouTube, say hello. Say hello, you good? I have a crazy dog here. So guys, let me take you outside. So more material are coming, guys. More material are coming. More material are coming, guys. So probably in the morning I was creating something here, because when we open the door for the borehole, it's come like poor, and then it's flash out, so I decided to create a stopper. When you open the door can stand, not like going like poor. No. When you open the door like this, it reaches at this point and then you fetch water. But initially my mason forget that, so when you open the door it's go like once, and then maybe later we'll block the door. So I don't want to that mistake. So you see here I put some bricks around, and then here some timbers. I create a concrete, the mix of balanced cement and sand. So when it's dry up, I will open, because this door, when you open, it reach here, and then these inches will break out. So I don't want that mistake to be happen again. So I must be very careful, because I spend $400 to fix the carabat here, guys. Serious, and I'm telling you, So right now I wanna take things serious. You see, I need them to be concrete, to be more concrete. Let me see here. Even guys, you can see how it creates a shape. I wanna show you that shape, guys. how it looks like. Oh my god, you see, I need a stopper like that, you know. It looks like a box. Hey, yeah, it look like a box. Let me try to open, guys, and I see guys, here, yeah. Hey, yeah, we need something like that. You see, something like that. So but when I didn't fix this stuff here, when you open a door like this, it come up this side here, and then I realized we break this stuff here where I'm pointing, you know. So but for now, yeah, like that. So I left it to be dry. I left it to be dry enough, so maybe by tomorrow morning I will put some cement, you know, purely cement. I'll mix with water, and then I'll create stuff looking like this. Try to imagine like this here. No, so far so good. Everything's good, you know. Sometimes guys, when you see things before get spoiled, I use the common sense, you know. Yeah. Hey, even my mama have already washed the container, man. So I think, let me put those bricks, because when I left the way it is, somebody will push it. Let me return it, guys. Here, like that, and then like that. So after that, let me remove this. If they want to access fetching water, they will fetch. Yeah, if they want to access water, they will fetch. Alright guys, so I'm heading where I put some material. Imagine guys, avocado is below here. Okay, I'm taking you there guys, you know. Yeah, it's time guys to bring materials, you know. Sometimes guys I feel so happy, you know, when I see material coming around at home. Man, I said, God, thank you, you know. What can I say guys, but I say thank you so much, you know. So guys, I'm remaining with some few blocks, and also let me say, if I have 60 bags and also 700 blocks, man, I'll start from there. So right now guys, you see the sand here. I bought a lot, but today it's an addition guys. I'm trying to climb on top. This is my purely hard working guys. When you watch my video, at least at the end of the month I do something. Imagine guys, imagine. Wow. Hello baby. Hey, it is what it is. You see, this is some material starting from there, going up to that way, come this way, go that way. So today I'm going to add another tipper for the sand. Guys, I think this is the best time to buy materials, guys. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Songo. Hai muku ya? Unafanya hivi? Sukari chaja ni irisira. Wow. So I think, guys, it's time to leave home. It's time to leave home. Sometimes animals don't say hello and then you didn't know. When I'm passing there, that cow green head like this, and then when I touch, they stop. So guys, stay tuned. Finally, guys, I'm outside with my baby, and I thank God, guys. You know, last week my battery didn't working like strong because I make a mistake charging my phone here. Let me show you. You see here, charging my phone here. So I realized when I charging the phone and the bike is not running, all consuming fuel, like, so the battery go down. But right now, guys, let me do like this. You see, right now it's neutral, and then it's like this. And also, one of my subscriber advised me, baby, when you take your bike to the car wash, please check the plug. You know, so I didn't allow the water going to the plug. So anyway, guys, my journey starts from here to the land for my friend, and then from that waiting for those truck or lorries or tippers, guys, whichever the case. So let me put on like that, and then yo, Africa, that's maize corn plantation. Let's go. Yeah, I'm outside, guys. Chasing my dream. You know. Yeah. Me every day is to wake up, I shoot the videos, I show you different things. Let's go. Also, that's the maize plantation. Mango tree alongside the road. Let's go, guys. Woo! Wow, that's a shop right there. Banana plantation from a distance. That's a school right here. Although right now the students have already resumed back to school. Day 2. Wow. Yeah. I'm pushing my videos to the edge. That's a church right there. Oh. Yeah, super green, right, left, center. Super green, guys. Imagine it's a dry season, but right now you see things have really grown in green way. Look at the side here. Even this side, super green. This account's vehicle right here. Let's drop the rubbish there. That is it. Floyd vibe, guys. Till the end, you know. And remember the control, riding with one hand and then filming my videos. Wow. Okay. So finally I made the tarmac. When you go that way, we're going to border town. When you go this way, we're going to Nyabohanse, Nairobi. Let's go, guys. I'm more happy, guys. More happy. To bring even one tipper for the sand or one road for the sand, it's not an easy thing, guys. Within our village here, at my age, it's by God's grace. Whoa, that Tanzanian bike. Whoa. Let's keep pushing, man. This video. Wow, see on this side here, beautiful forest. Hey. Whoa, that's napier grass alongside the road. Yeah, it shows you here in Africa, farming is our backbone. You see even banana plantation, you know, maize. I see everything, guys. You know. Keep watching. Guys, people are shocked to what I'm doing on behalf of myself. Also, I see the tractor for county dropping the rubbish. You will see, guys, taking from Nyabohanse to the dumping site. See that one there? Oh, it's gone. Hello, baby, let's go. When I say hello, baby, let's go, I mean let's go. Beautiful beautiful trees here. Man-made planted. See here. In the future could be a restaurant. Wait. Wagwan. Eh, Mairi. Hayukuya. Unaenda rudi? Yeah, the same bike, guys. Ah, you go. But mine is blue. Okay, guys. Lexus. Oh my God. See, guys, that's a matatu right here. Okay, here we go. I see the guy pushing the wheelbarrow. Omera! Droga gitu, bwan. Yeah. Let me park here, guys. First, yeah. Kitu gani bwana? Eh? Yule unapeleka wapi?
Kama mafai.
Wagwan. Unasemaje? Kazi mno. Sasa unapeleka nyumbani?
Kama mapei.
Ndio unafanya kazi siku hizi?
Bwana.
Unaitoa wapi?
Huko hoteli yake huko bwana. Kwa siku nafanya kwa 100 kwa tayari siku analipa 1000.
Swende mjengo.
Analipa 3000.
Swende mjengo. Ulikuwa na sehemu ya kufurahi. Swende mjengo huko chini. Mjengo ukifanya kila siku 400 ukule 150 ubakishe na 250. Piga mesabu. Alright guys, I'm heading down. Sun is so hot. Wow. Let's go. Oh my God. I have my baby here. Things are very strong, guys. Let's go. Jana. You mean? Wapi? Unaenda site? I'm good.
Going site, my friend. How is everything?
Everything is good.
Yeah. Coming from Mayoguno. So I went to my site there. So looking something there. Yes, family. My name is Nico Buddha, Virginia boy, a boy from Shamba. Welcome at our baby YouTube channel. We are so excited and we are here. This is the noon in here, Africa. And we are still shine the village.
Today you have the mason or not?
Today I don't have a mason.
You relax.
Yes, someone is calling me, so I need to see him in my side there. So I told him that let us meet there at site.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me, I'm going down here.
Oh.
I want to check the portion here.
Oh.
Portion.
Portion.
Naona kashamba hapa hivi.
Okay. That's good. Thank you, baby.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
There's a guy here chewing sugar cane. Mara tutaongea.
How is you, man?
Everything
is fine.
Everything is fine.
We are just eating sugar cane here. Small and doing some little work here. As you can see, we are doing some decorations for Mo. Mo is doing some little decorations here. Yes. How is you?
Me, I'm good, bro.
Yeah. It's been long time since I saw you.
Niko kabisa bana. Naona wapiga kazi nzuri sana.
Pole tu, kazi iko safi. Hata ukitaka kazi, engineer ndo huyu hapa.
Shamuona. Hivi wewe unafanya gani? Kazi ya mtu mkono bado. So improve hata siku moja.
Ndio sana nimekutana na huyu juzi hapa. Kaniambia kuja tuchape shughuli hata ukijua. Sasa nimemachua kutoka ile ya ile tulikuwa tunafanya na wewe. Unakumbuka? We were doing with you some hard work. But now we are here.
We called blue job collar.
Yeah.
Yes.
That is it.
Hiyo ndio inaitwa blue job collar.
Blue job collar. Yes.
Vibarua humu
Kabisa.
Hata mimi nifike hapa chini.
Nataka kufanya mashughuli.
Geti imekuwa vizuri.
That's great. Imekuwa fresh.
Yeah, nice work. Okay.
Sawa pamoja.
Kisumu. Kisumu. Pesca. Buyore. Bona Dani. I can say malo. Okay guys, let's go. I think today I'm gonna left my bike in charge. No one will steal my bike. I think here, just okay. Yeah, here. I look like that. This is a church here, LCD, Let's go. Yeah. This is what we're calling home. Wow. I'm telling you guys, every day is to push the videos, putting videos, you know. And I'm doing these videos, but one day it will pay me off, you know. Maybe in future it will feed maybe my family when maybe the time reach I want to have my family. This video will feed my family, and I'll show my kids, you know, when I was a young or a youth, I was struggling like that, you know. I give a history to my son, you know. Let's go down here. And today's a special day, guys, you know, in our village here. Walk. Yeah. Can I kill that too? It's mga. Yeah. So. Ay. Hey. That's what you go. Can I come again? Only winter bell. Yeah. Okay, guys. I have been told there is a borehole here which is empty, and we're supposed to put the offshot of the trees, you know. You know, when the trees have been splitted into timber form, and then the offshot that remaining. So to do it, so I'm gonna see, guys. Yeah, sometimes, you know, some kids are playing here, running left, right, center, you know, everywhere, and then they will fall down here. I'll do it, guys. I'll do it, because I don't want maybe some cases here and there, right, left, center. Oh, you do this. Oh, you do that. No. Yeah, I think here. Yeah, and it has a lot of water, man. Look down. I think if I buy some offshots or some of those flat timber out timbers, maybe $5 is enough, and then boom, and then I make. Yeah, I'll cover this place, guys, because it's very risky. And then you see the grass is growing, you know, maybe neighbors, kids here, there, will maybe run here and then fall, you know. How kids playing, guys. You know, guys, how kids play. Yeah, I'm shooting these videos. Yeah, at this region, guys, you know. So the guy is rubbing the sand there. I think it's river sites, and then from that we'll go with him, you know. You'll see, guys. Wow. Maybe this video I'm making here, by God's grace, it will get around maybe 1 million views. You never know, guys, you know. But I'm keep pushing myself. One day my videos will give me 1 million views. Wow. So I'm so grateful, and I think it's my time to go, you know, looking for this place. Oh, guys, there are toilets. There's my neighbor over there, you know. So I was talking that one of our neighbor here telling me that I need to cover that borehole. Of which I agree. I'm so tired, guys. I'm tired like a goat, but I'll manage to go, you know. I will manage to go. I see a Mara's again, doves or pigeon right there, you know. They just flew up from the villa up to this place. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm greeting Mawira right there. So I see the pigeon right here. It flew from the, and the village just down here, around 50 meters apart down here. So it come and looking for the something to eat here. Wow. I think guys, this is the time to go, you know. Yeah, I need to check up here. Now when I'm around here is to check. The work is to check. Yeah. Okay guys, it's time to build Africa, I'm telling you. So that borehole I will cover. Okay, let me show the green phone, guys. No, not green phone, pigeon. Pigeons. See? This one here. Sit down here. All right, let's go, guys. Wow. So if you think maybe this land and Vira is far away, you see the Vira? That's the gate. Let me stand here, sit down here, right there. And from here to there is 50 meters apart, you know. Wow. This place have really developed, you know, in terms of building. Ready to go. So I'm waiting that guy because he was dropping the sand here, and then he will drop my sand at the construction site, you know, the best way to go. Guys, I found the tipper right there, which supposed to bring my sand, guys, you know. Today guys. Whoa, I don't know what is that. No, it's not that one, guys. Hey, okay, it's not that one there, guys. I was thinking it's the one tourist vehicle. All right, guys, I'm just over here, and I'm still waiting the tipper for carrying for me the sand, guys, you know. So that's a swampy area in Yabohan. Right now they try to plant what we call, you know, yams. Wow. I'm still waiting the tipper, guys, you know. So at the same time, guys, I'm going to wearing my jacket because right now when I'm riding the bike, it's somehow cold, you know. Wow. And guys, we thank God right now we get water, so no more struggle, you know. So let's go. Oh my God. Yeah, I think I'll get that tipper, guys, you know. And make sure, guys, you leave the sweet comment on the comment section. Let me know what you think about on today's videos, you know. I love this vibe, man. Today the weather is so cold, you know, so calm, you see. Wow. That's a big machine, you know. So let's see, guys. I was standing here, and that road comes from other side, right there, you know. So we are still waiting, guys. We keep waiting, man. So that's how Nyabohanse village looks like during daytime, guys. If I could have a drone, man, it's to fly, and then you see the map from Nyabohanse, and on that tall building there's a hospital right there. See? Wow. Super amazing, guys. So let me try a little bit. I see a nice place. Let me put this. Sit here, you know. I feel like this is the best place. I can see that guy reaching on the stage right there, you know. Wow. Hey. People are driving heavy machine, and then baby, I'm chilling here, you know. Wow. So let's take calm, you know. This is the best time, guys, to buy sand, more sand, and then from that I put more effort of buying blocks, you know, and then from that is to buy cement, and then boom. Wow. From other side. See that view, guys, from other side. Super amazing, guys. Wow. I'm still waiting, guys. Super amazing, guys. Okay. Jose. Wow. Guys, guys, like, I'm not sitting here to count vehicles, but I'm sitting here with a good intention, you know. I want to wait that guy, you know. The good thing about me, no one will fool me like, oh, this sand is just okay, like the other guy. So right now is the time to go personally to the river, and then I see what's next, you know? Whoa. And the time is running, man. It's around 12:54 p.m. That's how you had. It's the sun is right here where I'm pointing. That's the sun. So I'm still waiting, guys, you know, to be patient. The moment I see the guy right there, I just run, and then boom. Hey. All right, guys. Okay. Hey. People are driving, man. Let me tell you, guys, people outside here are driving big machine, but no pressure, guys, no pressure at all, you know. Wow. And let me go, guys, to check my bike on other side at the shed. Please, guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Subscribe, give a video a like, and also comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. you know. So we have two swampy area on other side and this side here, you know. Wow, that's how Nyabohanse looks like, but during daytime. Look, the nice machine. Okay. Hey, that's tipper. Don't say nigga, bro. Ni mbaya. Okay, let's go. Hey, yeah, answer more no once. Hey, Tanguringan. Okay, I'm waiting the guy for my motorbike. Okay, let's go. So the guy is coming from this side here. Wow. No confusion. That's my bike, man. Oh, pole pole. Let's get driver. That's my bike, man. Okay, let's go, guys. The sun is too much. Too much. Zembongo yo.
Overtake.
Sasa. Ndio soki. Wow.
Osohemo.
Ni hapa kanyere kokona hai.
Soki.
Ni sohemo bono. Mtima ngisa kakiara hiyo. Village life. That sand is going to Giti River, and then from Giti River the guy will deliver that sand to my home. I personally, I'm going to the river. If you're watching these videos, guys, you see me in the river. That's my bike. Yeah. Life is so good here. Woo. Woo. So you see the tip ahead of me. Turn it. The tip open. That's good. So you see that tipper right there? So I'm waiting that guy within on this corner, because no one will overtake him.
Ante vamos continuar com a galera munitiva. Atanyo limo ke monitore.
So it's that tipper. So it's here. Ona. Weka ona naenda hivi weke pale kwa mtaro. So guys, we're still waiting that tipper, you know. Yeah, he'll never like hiding, running this way, picking the sun and then drop here. So from here it's to drop to my home, you know. Yeah, I don't know, guys. At the same time I feel like chest pain, but it is what it is. Yeah, park there, park there, park there. Yeah. That way there. Oh guys, let me see it. I was waiting around closely to 3 hours. But yeah, masaa matatu ndo namsubiri huyo jamaa. Hadi sasa ndo amekuja. So when I'm standing here, the guy will never like cornering. Because when the guy told me, oh, wait me at Nyabuhansi. Down here also have the river. They can come and fetch, like by the sand here, the river. But the good thing is, I want to overtake him, you know. We are dealing with the capacity of the tippers or weight. I don't know, but I think it's capacity or volume, right? So we shall meet on the game. Yeah. That's the tipper. Daddy carry. Okay. Let's go. No time. Guys, no time wasting. And Tanzania is just within here, Morego. Within here. Let's go. Guys, may thank God that this rider have the bike which helped me to maneuver around looking for the road like this, man. That's crazy. Sorry for the dust, but we are here, guys, to win, you know. It's the best time to buy sand. Yeah. Alright, guys, we shall meet on the section. Hey, that. Yeah, guys, that's how Japan looks like. And I'm going to like to buy sand. Yeah, Bokoran's actually. Ngoto rangu mchere ni rangu. Si mchere sana. Ile ya kupiga na mashini.
Ya mashini ni wanauza kwa tani. Kwa tani 2,200.
Ano hicho itipa?
Tani 12,000.
Choni renga shina.
Shina?
What? Aha. Ni shina ine.
Times 12.
Ni shina ine.
Shina ine.
Kanamba tutamwe. Sawa, ndawote ponde tere.
Akini? Kani nyumba yawe?
Ani omo mama bono.
Kani omo? Sasa? Bero tuno bumujanye. Ne hwene babo tema abiye ne ngole yiko. Amagena garaba madene garaba bo. Pateme safi. Hiyo ndo uze expensive. Ndio ya mkono ni 40. Tunaleta na 40. Sasa ile tunaleta na 80. Oh, 80. Lakini ni kazuri na leta ina vitu. Na aibeni gini. Na leta mayata yitu na nyuri chibatilo tunako. Yana hata nyuri popo. Wani hata kwa kupata kirundi. Hata magana na tena kwa mtu hata hai handeleye. Wewe mwaka. Wanaanza paka sasa. Okay. Kaya kiento hoto.
Kani wangu tunaanko ni ike 40 bado ndire na roofing. Wow. Let's go, guys. Oh.
Sasa wateme kona say hano. Tumugondo higa ho.
Sinasa hawani maki.
Veni kwa hali.
Sikeni andike hai.
Haya, bora msaidi mire hiyo usiku kidogo.
Masaya sengon? Ano ka man? Goma.
Ninjira na goma. Hata kaburon temere, yenguru chika. Hata kore yuko manje.
Ai.
Manje mo. Moru ko mo ba. tora ka sikino. Oh my god. Baba tuliga binyi mura ba buro kabara. Mura ba gas. Totacha. Ona sikino maroni ka direct ke mahono leta mchanga. Ke wembe sasa. Direct. Bata nyunu buro ka nyina naturally ke bara ran soko ne mura he. Ay ay kuri. Mura te ko ni beta no abi no tanto. Iga bana ndo siko. Kabinane ko. Como que eu toca hire ha.
Aí hikire.
Oi, sawa. E aí mera hakumi.
Toko mahem.
Lakini kaya mabara.
Eh.
Akale hade.
Alright guys, let me wash my face because of the dust. You know. Maybe next year, by God's grace, when it's raining, I'll buy for the sand for the plastering, guys, you know. Alright guys. I don't know guys, because I had on the chest like pain. I didn't understand. So you see guys, water is running here. Oh. So let me show you how men at work, guys. Serious. E da mangia contata ma che fai?
Oh.
Ehi.
Asa no moto ko. Yang pirigana ko rin mo ya gaji.
Tri ka sa kamo.
Go kamya mo na ma.
Oh, che hara ka.
Ko to ke pega.
Metteri che impare ne me hey. Taccia che re.
Anu pula ko kengara ro kudu. Ko to ro ichore.
Ini arah. Ada bicara so kimuzunga mana rambe. Wai. Barabe. Ega wangu enjoy bantu para risk mais. Te mara burigiri hayu garre. Aduh ni kan halita. Ay. Okay guys. Hello. 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 Okay guys, we finished everything. Yeah. Tamayironi. Imengo. And then wait. Go to other side. Number barida. Hey. There is a nursery here known as tobacco plantation. Yeah. You see guys, this tobacco, real farmer. Wanda koma December. No rengo rinchupa. Kibara kera kya kuri bibi sasi go. Na matake tiki kuibombera. See guys, watering. I know guys, tobacco are not good in our health. Other side guys, so okay. We're waiting guys, and then to see how things it is here. Oh. Oh, hanging which one? Oh. Wan ko bang ora ko mer kongera mora. Akan se bang ora ko mer kongera mora. Oh.
Iya, arah sama.
Ora harus
Ya mu. Ah, entara boba. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey.
Ano yake hane ba?
Se motora masikio. Mo bange hama sikio eta chiralina.
Lakini ngura ndapaka. Hata na ajabu kutora tia, betu kora masikisikia kabisa. Hata ntaka hapo. Noti hake.
Tata musikia mo, tata musikia kim.
Mpaka nyulia hapo. Hayo hiki. Kura sikia koreo. Ada bang ani orang tu gila. Kita dua ini mana? Lepas tu koreo. Lu main ini experience yang make merunega. Jangan kau kali dia je tuan. Kau main penyemur kira kolektor. Dia orang ke harang kau apa mak orang kuliahan. Mana bini bawa air? Dah cik semua saya mundur. Ini dua ini mah. Karena ni mampu ni mere. Ni kan tip. When you know me. Jadi ali kita mama tahu tinggi.
Aro, regala hakong.
Muli.
Kumuli nyori nzimiri.
Na hatot.
Bado ke har demo ke ma.
Tapangi misik.
Yo mchangi kesho. Wenda hasa na hatot. Una namu.
Kuri ke bra kuri ki wana hata kuya.
Acha ka kuya hasa. Na hatot.
Bas ma sama tu jangan kira.
Ciao.
Kona ko tayo ta masakit wala ta ta.
Maro. Ani se ngusi mbaka no. Rataman to ka tu kore mane konga bono.
Au we kora hana.
Demo ku ya han. Ya ba ku jama to.
Guys, our road is stuck here, so we need to put down. So This is for the next option, guys. So guys, our roll gets stuck, so we need to reduce the sand, and then we go to other side. I think on other side right there to pick another one, because I've already shown you the videos. You see these tires on this side here, it's sinking. So the best option is to pour down the sand and then we go, you know. Hey, okay, let's see, guys. This is crazy, man. It's time to go, and then the road stuck down here. So let's see. Okay guys, things went wrong on this side here, but if I get money anytime I'll come. Ma, what am I so at the hand? Yeah. Utomogo mchanga mresu. Tipana na kwa moru sense. I'm telling the guy, be careful right here. Hata na wachuma maoso emra kutora mbarekahan. Okay, it's time to go. Hey. Alright, let's see for the next place. Here things are not okay. I must be very careful. So guys, we shall meet on the next place, I think. Hi. Okay. No idea, guys. Woo. Oi. Marai jeans. Ngoja tu. Ni jeans mbovu.
Yeah.
Enzo para mufun que aí o corona.
Ngombe tu changa motom. Na chosu ni, ante ko moto yento ange. Di percussion. Sai de mira. Sai de mira. Sai de mira sonja se kiasi. Nani siki inje. Hapo.
Guys, I'm sweating like a goat. Like also the one of the sand is this one here. And then the deal failed.
The money was not easy.
I guess that too was on the bad. Like it's in the Kairi also a few. Listen to the people jango man.
Masara ne hatachi yo. Ante bi yung chipi mera. Na bani changa matombo wane. Den dano chipi mera. Mata chonko na kati.
Okay guys, I'm doing the guy when they get a wheelbarrow pushing at a good place, and then anytime we get money, boom, buy the sand. I know Rovi now. Fundo which baby? Robot. Hana ngani riko.
Ano haba makul. Sunine singita ga.
Oh, wow. Village life. As you watch these videos, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, and also give our video a like. Okay. Hey, they've already seen the tipper. Hey, bone que isso aqui não é que eu caia, tá? Que não é que só. Kumbura.
Ah, kumbura tá. Tá corra, tá cara. Kilo jene kornali kilo masesa. Ngoro, mimi sina roho chafu. Lakini niliona ni
acho usonge bado.
Acha mtu ora na roho moyo ngoro. Atu turati kule tendo. Acha ni olingo sombe na. Kitenda mazami na gane na maru to kuma ta ko kuri kitenda. Rombe mi goli nena tuta tukirenta rahi. Songire saidi mi dei. Umesa kuna moju ni nyingo nchira ndenda mi goli. Hire igoro, hire isi. Ya kuna moji.
Korara kore kogai.
Koe korai hayu, koe korai kogai. Saa 11 ngonjera naenda. Sawa. Saa moja timu chama kana garande na nyinyi.
Yeah, he was the one who's serving, guys, in our village. Sandstones, balance stones, you know. Joshua! That's a very nicky bracket.
What's a minute now?
Buyore! Okay, guys. Yeah, so me no primary. You know, I got a young kid. I keep my keep on joking.
Mahal wiki.
Aku kira mahal. Mohon apa nu cuma. Oh. Buya gore. Kama gore.
Asina mbea ke tanye mkini turaturu no sawa.
Wani utema yani mumura kana ngatakukutu nonti.
Joshua.
Ali ne hanu tebiga atu wore.
Joshua. Yakiore. Kana mbere wango tagucha kutunu cha wonke. Kiore. Weande.
Fresh one.
Guys, I miss my classmate.
I'm here, guys.
Okay. Iki kunyingi wa mato. Then this is the second place, I think. Guys, here what is deep here, man. The second time I'm washing my face. Oh. See how things it is here. It's a serious work. I'm telling you. Serious work, yes. Let's go. Joshua. Sawa. So right now we just like enough and then we are going, man. This place, guys. People are killing me, yo. Hiyo ni fuso inakanyaga. Okay. Let's go. Okay guys, finally we back home with material. Tuko henirigera na rahete. Yeah. Can I get home on? Oh, okay. Okay, guys. They don't take a corner like this and then come pouring there. So more material are coming, guys. You know. Aiga. Nega uturo kwa marmo. Mangu turande ma uende hivi. Penye mekanyagi mwage kwa huu. Bakuyi. Karabe hona gatebiro ragambia tiga wankoro.
Yani homiga ni yakuye homiga.
Ni ya utune homiga sasa mbaki angalie hivi.
Sasa kale mbuyare.
Don't need a general shock.
Ayo.
Yeah.
Ayo. Sasa wewe toto sigari nyumbani.
Toto sasa unajua nilimwambia ugeuke amwage hapo. No. Iangalie vimwage hapo. Watoto. Toto sharibu bure. Yeah. Oh guys, so right now I have been sold out those guys with sand. They have already gone, you know. So actually in the morning I left the work here, you know. Whoa. People wash the trouser and then removing the car. I think these jeans. Wow. So right now guys, I'm supposed to fix or put in the cement, you know. Something like a stones. Guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. But on my side, man, I think right now I've moved some bit steps, you know, a little bit steps, guys, you know, for buying sand, bring stones, doing this, you know. And it's by God's grace, guys, you know. So if maybe today bring one tipper. Oh yeah, boya fast, boya. If today I buy sand, tomorrow I'll never buy sand. Maybe tomorrow I'll buy maybe cement. If tomorrow I buy sand, previous day I'll never buy maybe cement. I'll buy maybe other things, you know. So guys, we shall meet on the next video. Okay guys, it was my very first time to fetch water since you know, I constructed the borehole. Let's see guys. This is a mass full, guys. Hey. Africa, the land of wood and water. Even, oh man, right now I see water nearly here. Imagine. Oh, and it's purely clean. Let me show you guys. Yeah, it was my very first time to fetch water since my borehole collapsed. You know, it was giving me headache here and there. Okay, come and show them here. Yeah, see guys, how it's so blessed. That is it. Okay. Oh. So this is the end of the video, guys. Bye.